Neobanks are growing 10x faster than traditional banks. Every minute, traditional banks lose over 1,000 customers to neobanks. PayPal, Nubank, and Cash App lead the pack, while European players like Revolut, N26, and Wise maintain significant valuations, showing the global nature of the neobank revolution. What's their secret sauce? They didn't wait to fix banking. They built digital banks that serve over 100 million users across 24 countries without a single branch. No paperwork, no queues, no dragging work for the next day. What are neobanks? Neobanks are digital-only banks built for how we live now. Fast, mobile-first, and frictionless. They run entirely through an app or web platform and allow users to 1. Open an account in minutes. 2. Transfer money instantly. 3. Get smart budgeting tips. 4. Real-time notifications. Want to know more about neobank apps? Read more about it in the blog, link in caption. Why are businesses rushing to invest in neobank app development? 1. Tap into underserved markets, like freelancers, small businesses, or Gen Z, where traditional banks fall short. 2. Offer features like instant onboarding, virtual cards, multi-currency wallets, and AI-powered budgeting tools. 3. Scale rapidly, thanks to cloud-native infrastructure and banking-as-a-service APIs. 4. Get more revenue opportunities without the hassle of dealing with legacy systems. Why should you consider building a neobank app? Lower operating costs, faster customer acquisition, rapid scaling. Want to build your own neobank app? At Excellent Webworld, we turn fintech ideas into real, user-friendly, and scalable platforms built to grow with your business. With 900-plus apps delivered, including 20-plus in fintech, your project is in expert hands. Start with a free consultation today.